One of the first questions that people will ask themselves when they get involved in cryptocurrency is, should I trade or should I hold? Trade or HODL? This is one of the things that I think most people will ask themselves at one point, and I think most people will probably dabble towards trade initially. These exchange apps and services, this is Binance, it's just so easy to trade. You can put in market orders, limit orders, stop limit orders, and you can buy and sell trades whenever you want. So if you think something's going to go up and you can see things that are going up, you can hold. If you see it going down, you can sell, and you can react to what's happening in the news and make money that way. Now, that's all well and good, but should you do that? That kind of style of trading, most people refer to as day trading. Just a borrowed term from the investment world, but it's really, you're trading day to day, and you're looking for the margins. You're looking for, if something goes, you're not really going to see a stock shoot up, skyrocket from say 10 cents to $2 in one day. That's very, very unlikely. Things go up a little bit slower than that. But it's all about the margins. If you see something going up 20 cents in a day and you're putting a lot of money into it, you can maybe make a decent enough margin that it's worthwhile. And you can do that using, limit orders, saying buy at this price, sell at this price, and things like that. I've been looking into this, and hands up, I'm not the most experienced trader, and I never get into the cryptocurrency to be a trader, but I have been dabbling in it. I have been buying and selling some things just to get a feel for it all. Now, firstly, I would say that I think a lot of this depends on your temperament. Buying and selling all day long is an emotional roller coaster. You'll buy things and then see them going down, and then you'll see them going up and then back down again, and then you'll start second guessing what you did. And personally, for my type of temperament, I don't want that. I'd rather buy something and just leave it there. And that's what a lot of people are saying. I've looked at the advice of a lot of people online, and what they say is day to day, yes, you can make money day trading, buying and selling all in the one day, trying to make money through those little margins. But they said that in the long term, you're nearly always better holding your stock, hodling as they call it, HODL, and you're better holding your coins and waiting, because in the long term, the coins are always going up every single day, but in the long term they should go up. Now, the best thing, you don't just hold and then forget about it. You should still obviously keep tabs on what's happening in the cryptocurrency world, and look for indicators, look for signals, or that this if a coin is starting to be accepted by a particular bank, well, the price should go up. If it's been dropped or someone said it's not secure, well, the price might go down, things like that. You should be looking for indicators for any coins that you hold, and know that if anything significant happens, and I'm not just talking about speculation and all the negativity you get in the press, something significant, as far as how it's going to be implemented, something significant happens, then that's when you might want to pull it out, or you might want to invest more, depending on what was said in the news. I think for me, my strategy going forward, I'm making my coins through mining, but I'm dabbling through this, and even as a miner, I do have the option of trading or hodling, holding, and the question is, what do I do? Well, I mean, so far I've did mostly just holding the coins that I've got. I've not cashed in yet. But I am taking chances as well. For example, at the moment I'm mining a coin that's going to be forked. I'm mining Z Classic, and it's going to become Bitcoin private. And my hope is that it will launch at a decent price, and long term this will be a coin that does well. And I think if you're planning to hold something for a long term, it obviously does help to get in at the beginning, at the ICO, or when a coin is first announced, or when it's first available to mine, that kind of thing. If you can get in when it's super cheap, you could just buy $50, $100 worth, whatever, and just forget about it, and then come back 6 months or a year later, and it should have went up by then. And obviously when a coin forks, that influences the price as well. If a coin is going to fork into a different coin, there's a lot of speculation, there's a lot of news, and most of the time it's being forked because something extra has been added or something's been changed or tweaked to benefit. So I'm kind of going off topic there, but really, whether you trade or hold, I think long term it is better to hold. But I have no doubt that a lot of people will trade day to day. They will enjoy it. And especially if they're reading news about things like that every day and they think they can get an edge on someone else. Personally, for me, I don't want to be checking my phone all day long, seeing whether something's been up or down. You know, I've got other things I want to do. I want to record videos. I want to, you know, update my blog. I've got work to do. But I'll put it over to you guys. Should you trade or should you hodl? Should you hold? I still believe that whatever you do, I think, even if you're a day trader, I think long term, the real money is in holding. But if you're a day trader, you can kind of do like a mixture of both. So whether you trade or whether you hold, I think traders should be holding a lot of their money, you know, cashing in their winnings per se and put it into something safe like Bitcoin. And the people that hold, well, if you see something that, you know, that's in the news, you're obviously going to start trading. But I'll put it over to you guys, trade or hodl. I'd like to know what your long-term strategies are and what your short-term strategies are as far as what you do, day to day, week to week, month to month, what you do with your coins, what you do with your portfolio, whether you just want to get in at the beginning and hold, or whether you like to, you know, mix it up a little bit. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all very soon.